Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Norman Manley International Airport, which is the nicest airport in Jamaica in terms of facilities. Look at this terminal. Now, this is the second busiest airport in Jamaica. The busiest airport is the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. And the terminal at that airport is nothing close to this terminal. So the government plans to spend $750 million to build a new terminal at the Sangster International Airport. I'm not sure how much this terminal that we're looking at costs to build. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Now, currently, the Sangster International Airport, which is the busiest airport in Jamaica and the third busiest in the Caribbean, has between 5 and 6 million passengers passing through it a year. But because the tourism industry in Jamaica is growing so much, so many hotels are under construction, and so many more in the works to start construction, they anticipate 15 million passengers coming through the Sangster International Airport every year. 15 million. So they need a new terminal that can accommodate 15 million passengers a year. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now, just to give you some perspective, at 15 million passengers a year, it will be the busiest airport in the Caribbean. Also, the busiest airport in the world is the Dubai International Airport, which has 120 million passengers a year. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the terminal for the Sangster International Airport. Jamaica's tourism industry, the lifeblood of its economy, is poised for a transformative leap with the announcement of a US $750 million investment in a new terminal at Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. The project, unveiled by the Airports Authority of Jamaica, signals Jamaica's determination to match infrastructure with its soaring visitor arrivals and long-term growth goals. Sangster International is already the country's busiest gateway, handling more than 70% of all air passenger traffic and serving as the first point of contact for millions of tourists each year. Yet, the current capacity, capped at roughly 5 to 6 million annually, the airport risks becoming a bottleneck as Jamaica continues to expand its tourism footprint. The new terminal, designed to handle up to 15 million passengers annually, directly addresses this challenge by almost tripling capacity and ensuring the facility can support growth through to 2053. The AAJ initially considered adding another terminal alongside the existing one. However, after weighing operational efficiency and long-term costs, the decision was made to construct an entirely new, modern, state-of-the-art terminal. This bold approach not only allows for a more seamless design, but also ensures that Jamaica's premier airport will embody the highest international standards for comfort, safety, and sustainability. The planned construction of a new terminal at Sangster International Airport represents a forward-looking investment in Jamaica's future. It is both a response to present pressures and a bet on the island's long-term potential as a tourism powerhouse. For Montego Bay and the nation as a whole, this project is more than an airport expansion. It is a foundation for growth, prosperity, and international recognition for decades to come. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.